Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put a Chevy Impala in neutral with a dead battery. First, locate the small access panel near your gear shifter. It's usually a small, rectangular cover. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver or a similar small tool to pry open this cover. Once the cover is off, you will see a small slot or button inside. Now, with the panel open, insert your screwdriver or key into the slot and press down firmly. You'll need to keep this button depressed while you move the gear shifter. While holding the override down, carefully move the gear selector from park into the neutral position. This action bypasses the electronic lock. Once the shifter is in neutral, you can release the override button. Double-check your dashboard display or the shifter itself to confirm that it clearly indicates N for neutral. Now, you can replace the small access panel cover. Your Chevy Impala is now safely in neutral and ready to be moved or towed as needed. Remember, safety is paramount. Always ensure the parking brake is engaged before attempting this procedure, especially on an incline. It's also a good idea to consult your Impala's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions. And hey, if you're looking for some great deals on products that make life easier, be sure to check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.